don't know me look right now, but me know how me feel right now. Today my son's birthday. 8th birthday. I'm gonna tell you this. You see the title already, so you know what the video is about. And you probably, when you see this, just don't say me own a house right now. Your boy is a home owner. But this is in at the moment, today, January the 25th, 2023, then say the year of the black man. You hear that? 23 in a cash party. If you're Jamaican, the number 23, when you play that in cash party, says black man. Jordan here, I'm born on the 23rd of February. You see me I say? And at 2023 now, my son just turned 8 years old. Jamir, happy birthday, my son. You know me tell you everything already. You know daddy love you. If for the day you're born youth, you don't bring nothing but blessing in my life. I swear. I swear. Because I go now quickly story before I tell them what I go on. So, Jamir was born in 2015, January 25th. A winter day like today. Right now, I'm in Jamaica, I filmed this, but them day in Canada based now. And I remember I used to, when I went to, I never had no driving experience. Jamir was born when I was about 24 going 25 or 23. And when Jamir was, before Jamir was born, I did my driving test about 3 times and failed. Used to ride my bicycle in the snow. Remember the day I got to the hospital and Jamir born, I couldn't sleep there. I had to go home that night. And I stand up at bus stop and I say, Father God, my driving test was the next day, the 26th. I say, Father God, yeah, Afi, bless me, you know, because your sister me I put in the work. Tell us my hand them freeze up, my cold, I turn up at the bus stop at 12 o'clock at night. Jamir born, you know, I'm there in a bus stop, turn up and wait for reach home, left other side of the hospital, because she did about 2 days in there. And I beg God, please, so I can't have my newborn son. And Alice used to pick me up from work late at night, 1 o'clock at night, and I said, yo, I need a license. Because whoever pick me up from work, she just have a baby, she can't come out for me at night time, and I need for work. And so said so, then the following day, I go do my driving test. I'm a pass. That was in 2015. Fast forward 8 years now. Jamaican birthday again, she said that you to come with blessing. This man said my mother tell me, and said kids are blessing. The more you get, the more God. I tell you if you have a bunch of it, you know. But I don't know. Ever since I have my youth them, I just be a blessing. And I tell you say, I look to the side because I'm still in you know, I put in the work, see, but you know when the first time you have to just give God thanks. And fast forward 8 years, 2023 now, Jamaica 8 years today. And during the summertime of 2022, when you saw me in Jamaica, I did a vlog where I bring the entire family down and I buy a car. The goal was never to buy a car, firstly. I came here with the intention of owning a home, buying a house, have all of my paperwork, but for some reason I reached out to the bank. The bank manager just never got back to me. I had all my documents that they require for a pre-approval letter, no response. So I said, alright then, I go buy a car because I go to Jamaica more often. And if I go to business across the island, I need a car. So a lot of people would have said, don't buy a car before house. But in my case, a car is a business for me, a business purpose. Because when I come to Jamaica, I rent 1 car for the week. I found out that cost me almost 50 grand. I'm like, hell no, I'm not going to do that. And me buying my vehicle during the summertime, I'm telling you, the amount of places that I've been, if I didn't want to rent, I would have bought my car twice already. It's me I said to you. So I didn't buy a car to just put it on and show off. I buy a vehicle because I think I go take me around the island for the business, make content. So it's a asset within the business. I may not keep the car for more than 2 years. After 1.5 to 2 years, I'm selling it before it start lose value. See? So I don't regret buying the car, but I'm saying everything happens for a reason, because that had to happen for them not to reply to me for the house. So me get the car, because me get the house more bad. I get the car. I wouldn't have no way to get around the country if you follow me. So boom, now fast forward summer pass, now it's January. And the lady my realtor that I was talking to, she been keeping in touch. But the bank manager never got back to me in terms of a reply for the pre-approval letter, even though I submitted all the documents. But as I said, everything I'm for a reason. If a disappointment is an appointment, some look funny. So boom, now about 5 days ago, my realtor been sending me like Happy New Year, and she sent me an update on a property that I was looking at in Ochi. And she sent me pictures and the development is going to be ready 2023 December. So I said, Jano, they kind of feel hurt because I reach out to everybody and I wasn't getting any reply from them. So I just kind of shove it aside and say, I just want to work and save my money. I'm going to get vexed. I said, I'm just going to work and save money. I don't need a approval letter. I just save my money and say I can work with housing trust and my own cash. You see me? I don't want to do that. But based on me never get a reply, I say that's what I'm going to do. So I've been here since December, now January. My flight was last Saturday. I'm telling Alice, I said, listen, I'm not come back right now, my friend. I know when I have to go miss me, When I have to go miss me a little bit longer because I do business on the ground. You see me? I miss my son's birthday today. First birthday in 8 years I've ever missed, but it's for a bigger reason. When I say bigger reason, I have to secure them future because my father never left nothing for we. Me want to set it for my youth, them and my youth, them. You see me, I say? So I go so boom, so when I see me on the island, I just come and say for party and a floss and do a bag of food, just a business I deal with, you see. So boom now, the lady reach out to the lady and say, me still interested in the property because I said she been send me stuff. I might just reply to her. So I reply to her and she asked me if they get the pre-approval letter. I'm like, no. The bank manager that you sent me didn't respond and I sent an email. They were saying they couldn't find the email, I didn't submit them, but I sent them with a different, I have about 4 email addresses. I sent them with a different email. When she finally find it, she said, well, your documents basically expire because it's been since April 2022 and now January. So I said, alright then. This is a span of 5 days, I tell you about. She said, alright, can you gather back these documents? And frustrated me, I said, Jono, I gather back the documents and send them off. And literally I'm here speaking today. I send it about since today Wednesday, I send off documents. I started conversing with her around Friday gone, see? And today Wednesday. And tally up everything, get bank slips. And that's something I'm supposed to tell you what you need for your mortgage, you know? I'm gonna do a next video like that, like things you need to get approved for your mortgage. But it just didn't happen today. It had to start from me having good credit, good financial responsibility. You know what I say? Good with them things over there. So it led up to me being pre-approved, as you can see in the title. So yes, I mean that this as a part of the journey for telling us that when a boy has been pre-approved for a mortgage here in Jamaica. You get to me a fault from some feel. You don't know when I open the email, she WhatsApp me and say she just sent the email. She said email sent. And I said thank you. My fee said she sent it off. Go on head office or something. The email if say pre-approved. No, she sent me an email and I'm open it and I tell her I'm shaking, brother. When I open the email, Mr. Morris, you've been approved. And they give the figure and them say, alright, then you can start search. Based on my earnings, this is the amount you're pre-approved for. This letter can be shown to your realtor and you can start your house hunting. Tell me now. Every disappointment is for an next appointment. So I don't use disappointment and just say, oh, I'm going to shut down and give up and try a different avenue. But as I said, this did have to happen back in summer for me to get that car to move around. So now your boy is on house hunting mode. That's what I say. If you're seeing this video, we're in 2023, but I'm not going to be releasing this until I own the house. Just like with my Canadian citizenship journey, I made the videos ahead of time. Because I know I'm going to get it. I always tell people I'm going to have it in a life, you know. But one thing I try to encourage you, them, I implore you, them for no say. You will have it, but you have to believe in yourself. You have to work hard and smart and just stay humble. You see me I say? Once you just do the right to follow. It may not happen when you want it to happen, but it will happen once you continue to put in work. Consistency, working hard, saving the money, making smart financial decisions. You see what I say? Yeah, them things that will lead to this and more. In this current moment, I don't own the house, but just I tell you, I get the pre-approval letter. But if you're seeing this video, just know I own the house. Because following after this, I'm going to take you through the checklist of if you get pre-approved, what you need for the prior to become pre-approved. You know what I say? As I said, this channel is going to be based on them things that, because over the years, I always inform and educate people, because that was something I never had growing up. I never had nobody to tell me growing up how to do this, how to do that. So now that I acquire this knowledge, I want to share it. Just like how I share on my cooking channel, how to cook this and you get excellent results. I want to share how to manage your life how to get fit. Right now I look small because I'm there in Jamaica. I'm stressed out. I not go to the gym for the past month. I not eat enough because I'm there all over. But fitness, I can tell you how to get fit. Because I've been through it, I've been skinny. So I build myself up. Finances, I've been broke. Build myself up. You see me I say? How to just take yourself as a man. I not a fresh cut now, you know. But you don't know the vibe go. And I want to focus this channel around that because many a times vlogging for me, it's more so showing a lifestyle versus educating you and helping you to build yourself. I'll vlog here and there, but this channel is going to mainly focus. And I made a video back when I was talking about getting a credit card from my bank. I made a video back then. And in that video, I stated, I'm going to leave right here, I stated that this is going to be my first of many financial videos to come. You thought I was joking? Flashback. This is basically what? My first financial video of many to come on this channel. So leave a comment below, let me know if you want to get more videos like these. So big up the bank. End of flashback. So when me I go through this journey, I go bring on along, I go tell you what I have done to reach to this point. As I say, so stay tuned. If you like the vibe, hit subscribe, you see me? And feel free if you say congratulations, because here what? Me I congratulate you too, you know, because your time so come. So it's when I your time, congratulations. I'm just want to say, because I always put a word of prayer to God. Say, Father God, thank you very much for keeping me humble, keeping me healthy, showing me the way how to work. I know that being pre-approved for this letter was not just today, but all of the years work that I've put in. I had to learn how to manage my finances, save properly, build up my credit. You know what I say? Make sure I pay my debts, because if I wasn't paying my debts in Canada, then it would have shown me not deal my taxes right, me not pay off my credit card at one time right, but you give me the knowledge and the courage and the understanding to do so. So I give you thanks. I give you thanks for speaking at the hearts of the realtors, speaking at the heart of the bank managers. Open these closed doors for me. I try to knock upon, Father God. This me I say, you know, so I don't want this myself. I want this for myself, yes. I'm a youth, them, my family. Yes, man, I want to set it for them the realest way, Father God. So I say, continue to keep and guide me. Put strength in me, put more wisdom in me, and help me when I get the wisdom, not to keep the wisdom for myself, but to share it with others, so they too can build themselves into a better person. Father God, once more, I want to give you thanks for this opportunity. Me now go where you see, help me for just guide me in the right way. Help me not to help me so that nobody can go around my thing. When I go through this process, my first time, I ask if I just be behind me, be beside me, be around me, hold my hand, so that no fraudulent can go on, nobody can rob up my money, and you go just make me hold my house key. Me hold it already, and I feel it already, God. I just don't see a time when I see a boy, I smile. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you for the good times. Thank you for the bad times. Thank you for the lessons, because they are my blessings. You know what I say? As I go forward into hunting for house, I'm going to ask that you may lead me to the perfect place, the right place, a safe place, a place that I can start this journey to becoming a homeowner. In your precious mighty name, we give you thanks, you know. Say big up yourself, you know. God of God. I'm glad of God of God. So yeah, that is it. That is it. Stay tuned for more videos. Me feel excited. You see me? Me feel like when my son be born. Me feel like when we get the visa to go Canada. Listen to me now, man. Big up on yourself. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, because trust me, I go bring on the through my citizenship journey. Bring on the through my car journey in a sense. I go bring on the through this home owning journey. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. You see me? Check out my cooking channel. If you're just married, if you're a man or a woman, or you just want to learn to cook, check out my cooking channel, Morris Time Cooking. You see me? Follow me on Facebook, Morris Time Cooking. Instagram, Morris Time Cooking. TikTok, the same thing, Morris Time Cooking. Learn how to cook, and follow me here at Morris Time Family, and learn how to do the right thing. Finances, physical appearance, the gym, the whole 9 yards. I'm going to give it to you the realest way, and make you can not only watch me, but apply this knowledge to your life to become the better version of yourself and the best version of yourself. So once more, thank you very much for watching. See, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself. Your boy go hunt a house right now.